for the 13 years na magkasama tayo, we saw everything na together. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat na natiis mo ko. Natiis mo yung ugali ko. Natiis mo yung lahat ng sa akin. Ng everything about me.
Stop me and steal my breath.
Kahapon nga, nagsisinimas lang yung ano niya sa
Birds to the sky and never
My love, you are my answered prayer. 13 years ago, I prayed to God exactly for you, and now I can finally call you my husband.
dress it up with the trappings of love.
After 2 years of being best friends, spending the days together, being inseparable, I asked you if you would want to be more than friends. And you said the sweetest yes.
And I'll be your crying shoulder.
Ngayong araw na ito kayo ay magiging isa, mag-iisang dibdib. Dapat kung paano pinapangalagaan ang inyong sarili, dapat ganun nyo rin papangalagaan ang inyong partner. Ngayong isa, in this case, ang inyong asawa. At yun na kaya paglabas dito mag-asawa.
Congrats sa akin.
Kailangan to.
Wala.
Ulam pala, ulam.
Wow! Aww, yung initials, KAU.
Actually, I really prayed for him, exactly for him. Talagang sinabi ko kay Lord na siya yung gusto ko. Hindi yung, kasi di ba yung ibang prayers na sana ganito, sana ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako naging specific kay Lord, na parang, Lord, gusto ko talaga si Emma.
Start yun na talagang parang hindi ko na makita yung sarili ko nakasama yung iba. Kaya sabi ko, siguro siya na nga talaga.
I'll be captivated. I'll hang.
Siguro na siya na din talaga kasi nakita ko kung gaano niya ako pina-priority, cares for me, ganyan.
And I'll be your crying shoulder.
I promise to always be by your side, to laugh with you in good times, support you in difficult ones, and I'll always be here in all the phases of your life. You are my home, my heart, and my always. I'm ready to face each day with you. I will never not love you. Today, I can finally say, officially, your wife. Mahal na mahal kita. Thank you for loving me, prioritizing me, and choosing to stay by my side every day. As we start another chapter of our lives, I vow to love you deeper every day.
I'm standing in a timeless dream of light mists, pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly sun, touching, discovering you.
Sa kanya, kasi kahit nung high school pa lang kami, maasikaso kasi siya. Kaya tinatanong niya ako lagi. Kunwari, saan tayo mag-lunch yan? Saan tayo mag-recess? Yun, yung mga maliliit na ganung bagay, na-appreciate ko.
I love, thank you kasi ako yung priority mo and pinipili mo ako every day. Happy ako na makita lahat ng phases and era ng buhay natin and looking forward sa future together.
Soft spoken words. I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be.
Pinapromise ko lang na if mag-aaway man tayo or if meron man tayo magiging misunderstanding, I will try my best na ayusin and matulog ng walang sama ng loob.
Love. Hubby. Magiging legit na hubby na gano'n.
As we enter this new chapter in our lives, I vow to support you, listen to you, cry with you, laugh with you, and be your strongest soldier. I will cherish every day, no matter how crazy or ordinary it may be. I love you more than you can imagine. My best friend and my best enemy. I am pledging my heart to you, now and forever, today and always. I love you so much.
Together everywhere, I will be with you. Everything I will do for you. I love you always, forever, near and far. Closer together everywhere, I will be with you. Everything I will do for you. I love you always, forever, near and far. Closer together everywhere, I will be with you. Everything I will do for you.